Yeah. Yeah, I'm actually doing really good. I've been getting some help from a psychiatrist actually. Yeah, it's going great. I've been feeling so much better. It feels so good to finally speak to someone and stuff. I just I just kept so much bottled in. You know, uh, Danny actually suggested I should give it a go before he left. I don't know. I just felt more comfortable, doing it that way because, I was just I was in a really bad place for so long, and I just felt like I had no one around me. That's why I pushed you guys away. Are you alright though, Sean? We haven't seen you in weeks. I was in such a bad place. I really cannot put into words how alone I felt because I wanted to reach out, right? But I was just too embarrassed to share my feelings with you guys. Do you know what I mean? Like, I just thought they would get better. You know, when you and Danny came over to my house and I finally opened up, I just felt so much better. Look, I don't want you making the same mistake that I did and keeping it bottled in. Because I regret it so much because I hated myself and I doubted myself every single day, and I just don't want it making the same mistake as I did. I know that Danny isn't here, but I am, and I always will be. When I finally spoke to someone, I just felt so much happier. Please, Sean, just speak to us, please.